Hey guys, Yummie, Life here, and today is episode 1 of Vlogmas. I will be doing 3 days after Christmas of Vlogmas because I did skip 3 days. I'm so sorry, but it's actually pouring down, raining. It's pouring down. I didn't expect this to come. I just heard that it came pouring down. I really didn't know that it was pouring down until I heard something. Not like a thunder, I just heard something that sounded like this. So I'm like, oh, it must be raining. Let's put that down now. And yeah, really don't have anything to do today because first of all, it's raining. I was gonna go and do something with the dogs, but I can't right now. But actually, I woke up this morning and I thought it was Monday, so I'm like, oh, it's Monday today, huh? But it's not. I don't know, my mind just thought, and I just looked at my phone really quick to see what the time was, and it was like 6 a.m. I'm like, why didn't my alarm go off? Why? Like, it was 6:30, so I'm like, why didn't my alarm go off? I always set it at 6 a.m. I usually wake up from it. And then I look at it, I just turn my phone on again, but then I turned it off. But before I turned it off, from the corner of my eye, I saw it that it said, sorry, I'm saying so many times in this one sentence. In the corner of my eyes, I saw it saying Sunday, December, I was about to say 24th. I'm like, yay! No, December 4th, but yeah. So, nothing big. We will be starting to do, moving soon, so that would be cool for Vlogmas. This is my first year that I actually did Vlogmas, really. And there will be a contest. Well, not a contest, let's say, I don't know. You'll have to wait. You'll have to wait. But you have to wait until the end of the video to find out what's going on next. Oh, rain. Oh, it's thundering. It's thundering as well. I just saw thunder. As soon as I turn off the camera to switch it, I just heard thunder. I don't know about you. He's still going on. I wonder where their dogs are out here. Pooches. Well, I'm not gonna make them come running toward me. This is just be mean, because it's all the way over here. I wonder if you guys can hold up. This better hold up. I'm also looking up my computer to see if you guys can see my face. Okay, guys. So I really have nothing to do for this Vlogmas, but I'll keep thinking and to do something, I guess. There's not really that much to do. That is a little bit I keep saying, I'm so sorry, I keep thinking, but I just said it again. So, yeah, there's not really much to do. I keep saying, or, I keep saying it without even me knowing. Okay, so, I'm just going to keep waiting until something cool happens. Good job, Yummie. You didn't say, or, Okay, so yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Well, for seconds for you, but not for me. Yeah, whatever. I'm just working on a city or something. Let me get more remote really quick. Chew? Not remote, I'm sorry. Controller. I keep saying, okay. So right now, I'll try not to say, or something like that. So, I say it, but I stopped myself. I'm just trying to make a city. Nothing much. I'm starting on this one house. I'm not sure how it's going. Tell me down below if you guys like the start so far. I'm gonna start adding on to the house. Over there. Oh, okay. Why not just make a certain position? Okay, so there's not that much to show, really. It's just random things. But yeah, I somewhat made a snow globe. Oh my goodness. And most of the snow sticks down. Really never, oh darn it, now it doesn't. Aww, I liked how it stuck down, cause look, it was sticking down. This part, look, all the snow was sticking down, but then I banged it on here on accident. It was a cup for making the snow. Well, it's really just salt, nothing much. Yeah, all this right there was doing it, and then I had to bang it on the cup. It's just a mason jar with salt in it. Yep. Feels just like how it did before. It's like sand, really. The ones get stuck in my fingernails. It'd be bad. Ooh, I could just feel it. So this is how you close a mason jar. If you guys didn't know. Oh, hold up. Okay, so the first step you gotta do is you have to put this part on the top. And you gotta put this part right there. And you gotta screw it all up. Okay, and now you have a capped mason jar. Okay guys, so I know on my gaming channel I'm doing a role play on Minecraft Pocket Edition. Oh, sorry about that. Oh, let's get off this. I know I am, but really, I want to do like a real life one, but I'm not sure what the script should be about. I already have this thing going for the Minecraft Pocket Edition thing and everything. It's all the way down. I'm actually just writing stories just to go along with it. It's not really for this one is not for the thingamajig. But actually, I want to show you guys something cool. Actually, really. So I'm gonna go to YouTube, and go here, youtube.com. Thank you. Alright, now we're gonna go to, oh, everything good? And then I wanna see where Colleen's Corner, our psycho soprano, is. And where is it? And right there, gotta go over here. Have you guys also seen Haters Back Off, or is it just me? Because I have watched the whole thing. I'm waiting for another series. Hopefully there's another series, because I really want there to be. Because, oh, I'm sorry, I said again. Because it was like so depressing at the very end of the series. And I just want to see it again. So, really, okay, it was somewhere in the comments right here. Let's see. Where is it? Well, I can't find it. I tried doing one. Didn't go so well though. Oh, well, that just makes me sad. Okay, fine. I'll keep looking, and if I see it, I'll show you guys. Well, yeah, so sadly I never found it in the comments. I'm still searching. Oh, that's heaven right there. It's heaven right there. Look, I'll get a little closer. Still searching through the comments, everything, but I can't really find that much. I'm actually gonna look through y'all's comments. Yep, y'all's comments, because your comments. I'm from Texas, so I just say y'all's comments. Probably sounds bad, but sorry. No. Perfect. Okay, let's see. Do I have any notifications? Let's go to my channel. Please and thank you. Okay, never mind. I clicked the wrong thing. Oh my goodness, that's... I just saw the weirdest face of me. Oh my God. So God help me. Sorry if that's offensive to you. So sorry. I don't want to see this orange thing. Oop. Okay. See. My channel, please. Oh yeah, all I had was nobody knows me. Let's go see the comments. Hello. Okay. Yeah, all there. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, guys. Sorry for the noise if you hear in the background. It is currently drizzling. Not raining as much as it was before. So, but yeah, that's it for today's Vlogmas episode 1. And yeah, the question of the day is, okay, if you have a pet, what is their name? You can do as much pets as you want. Depends how much pets you have. But yeah, I will be picking a winner and I'll announce it tomorrow on Vlogmas Day 2. Yeah, bye guys. I'm gonna stay sweet and bye-bye.